in the back, it's where all the magic happens. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel for a new video. Today I'll be showing you my van, as I like to call it, even though it's a truck, and I'll cook dinner later in the night. Thank you so much for the amazing support you gave me. It's incredible, it's amazing. I hope you guys enjoyed the video and I wish you a happy new year. So exterior wise, the truck is pretty stuck. There's nothing I did pretty much. Some minor things, I'm gonna walk you around it. The front bumper, I didn't paint it because I wanted to put an off-road one, but it was very expensive, so I trashed that idea away. But all the side panels that you see in black, I painted it in a bed liner, as well as the door handle. The roof rack, I painted it as well. And as you can see here, I cut into it because you can see in my previous videos, I put my fat bike up here. I had to cut it because the front wheel was coming off and it will not fit well on the roof rack. Except this, that's the stock wheels. In the back, I painted the bumper as well as the Toyota sign in bed liner too. On this side, I added a DIY awning. It's a 4-inch ABS tubing, I think, and I put my pole in it. In the front, there is nothing special going on. It's in drive mode right now. I put my big water container there in front. I have some electronics in this. My battery chargers, I charge it with this. It's an inverter. It's good for what I need. Only charging batteries, my cell phone, things like this. In the driver seat, I have my cell phone mount, my GoPro mount for time wrap. I usually put the GoPro here facing me while I drive. And a sunroof, but it's not working, so I just keep it like this, and for winter it's what I need. It has nearly 200,000 kilometers. It's pretty tough, but what's killing the truck is really the rust. Here in Canada, in Quebec, they put too much salt on the road, but for a good reason, because we have crappy conditions. A lot of snow, a lot of ice rain. So in the back, it's where all the magic happens. I've got my mattress in the middle, my body heater here, but as you can see, I made a little heat shield because I didn't think about the heat going up, so it melted the plastic behind just a little bit, and now it's going a lot better. But like yesterday, I had problems with the propane. The little bottles were icing, so I didn't have consistent heat. So maybe I'm gonna need in the future a big propane bottle like a lot of people have on the roof. Maybe that's the solution. On the other side, I have my portable camping stove. It's really great. I also made a heat shield for it, as you can see there. This is where I put my garbage. Here I have hygienic paper and soap to clean the dishes. And underneath I have all the kitchen stuff to cook. Here it's pretty much coconut oil, spices, everything like this. Here it's where I put the batteries, the lighting. In this little compartment, I put all my clothes, so I don't have a lot of clothes with me. The books I read, I put it there. I put when I go to sleep, I put my keys, my wallet, my cell phone. On top I have my breakfast food. It's what I usually eat all the time. It's coconut flakes with almond flakes and oatmeal. Here I have all the spices and some pasta in case of emergency. That's always good to have. On the bottom here, it's a garbage bag, towels, everything that I can fit in here pretty much. In this corner, I put my cooler, and I usually put my pillow like this, so I can lay here. It's pretty comfortable. I also have some reflectix on the windows, and I made it myself. Very easy to do. And in the back I put a cardboard, so it's a little bit more rigid. I painted black so people cannot see from a distance that something reflects on it. The curtains there, that's like the first thing I did. Super simple, super basic. I think I'm gonna try and modify it because we can see through the cracks. So that's the storage underneath the bed. I want to modify it so I can be seated like this. Simple storage, that's usually where I put the sleeping bags when I don't need it. This is the best thing about the 4Runners. I love it. That button. I love it. So that's pretty much the whole car, the whole van or truck. I don't know how to call it, but it's half a van, half a truck. I don't know. With all that said, let's go and find a sleeping spot for tonight. That's where I'm going to sleep tonight. It's a little municipal parking directly on a pier. The view tomorrow morning and tonight is gonna be incredible. I found this spot on iOverlander. This app is so good. I find all the best spots on it. Okay guys, I took some beautiful shots. I find them beautiful. I'm an amateur in photography, but I like it. I'm gonna go cook. I'm very hungry, very. Tonight on the menu, guys, it's real simple. It's gonna be a melting pot of rice already cooked from home, red beans already cooked from home, onions, sweet potato, tofu, and tofu sauce with tomato sauce. It's gonna be yummy! And of course, with the beer. Super good. It maybe doesn't look like it, but it's super good. And with the Tex-Mex tofu, the spices they put, it's a little spicy, it's super good. Okay guys, I'm getting some eat in the car one last time before I go to sleep. And I just saw that we're gonna have a very cold night. Minus 24 degrees Celsius. Oh my god. We can do it. Okay guys, it's 7:30. And by the looks of it, we won't have any sunrise today. We won't see it though. The clouds are covering it. That's like a little restaurant in summer, I guess. It's beautiful. Directly on the St. Lawrence River. We won't have any views, but it's still beautiful. So guys, I'm gonna leave you here. I hope you guys liked the video. Thank you very much for watching guys, and see you in the next videos. Be safe exploring.